We're about 7 miles east of Corning, Iowa, and this is a tornado-warned storm. Just above the horizon there, you see that lighter area, and that's a wall cloud. And this is moving towards us. There's no tornado on the ground yet, but it's coming at us, so we're trying to stay well ahead of these storms because they're moving about 50 miles an hour. We better get east. Got a tornado. Time is about 4:06. We're on the other side of that turbine.
The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. A tornado watch remains in effect.